Hi friends! Welcome back to our channel. And this reindeer turned out very cute. So if you would like to make him, be sure to keep on watching this video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our videos.